Hello, welcome to the Kevin Grab YouTube channel. Right here, today we are in Kevin's kitchen, and right here I'm showing you, this is one of the finished products. I could work on a little more, but right here I'm starting this one off. This is how to make the ocean right here. For this activity today, for a Columbus Day, a craft activity you can do with any children. I recommend about 5 to 6, around that age, not too young, because they might eat the whipped cream. But anyways, so right here you start off with white whipped cream, and then you can use a blue food coloring I definitely recommend, and then you put it in the center of a see-through cup, a throwaway cup, and you use this bagel right here. You stick it inside, as you can see, with all these ones. I'll do it later anyways. And then as something else to finish it up, as right here is one of the finished products, or actually here's a better one. And then a good way to finish this up is put a sail right in the middle of the bagel right here, and I'll show you right here the finished product. Right, that's right here. Okay, so right here we have all of our Columbus Day activities I've made in years past and everything. And also these are nice gumdrops if you want to make those on the side. Then also this is the end, so I'm gonna cut this off in a little bit. I want you, if you could, please subscribe to Kevin Grab YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment on this. It would help me out a lot if you leave a good constructive comment or anything you want to say, and share this with your friends, family, and everybody else. And that's a cut.